single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
To my YouTube channel. It's your girl Charity. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and please do well to turn on the notification bell to get updated whenever I upload a new video. So guys, in this video we'll be talking about the 5 ingredients your black soap should contain. So guys, if you want to know the ingredients, the necessary ingredients that you want your black soap to contain, please continue watching and watch this video to the end, because it's really going to be very informative to you guys, especially for those that wants to make their own black soap. So the first ingredient your black soap should contain is your black soap. Yes, I said so, your black soap, because like your black soap is the main ingredient. It's like the base you need when formulating your black soap, because it's the cleanser, it acts as a cleanser. It's what the black soap is, the thing that is going to cleanse your skin. It's the thing that is going to foam, it's going to lather, it's the surfactant that will be doing its work in your black soap. So the first thing you need is your black soap. Yeah, the first thing you need is your black soap. The second thing you should add, yes, you, I'm talking to you. So the second thing you should add to your black soap is your rice powder. So what is rice powder? Rice powder is grounded powder. Yes, you see those rice that you eat in your house, bring it, put it in a blender and grind it. If you know you cannot buy rice powder from the market, if you know you don't know how to get it from the market, you can definitely make your own. Just put it in a blender and you blend it. That's just it. It's the rice powder. Now, talking of the rice powder, the rice powder actually acts as an exfoliant. It exfoliates your skin, because when you add this to your black soap, it helps to remove those dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. So I must say rice powder is very good in your black soap. So you should consider adding that to your black soap. Like, I don't know why you should miss adding black soap, like miss adding the rice powder into your black soap, because to me it's very important. Yeah. So guys, the third thing your black soap should contain is an emollient. I don't want to bite my tongue. An emollient. Yes, that is what your black soap should contain. Now, what is an emollient? Emollient softens the skin surface. Yes. Example of an emollient can be your shea butter, cocoa butter, your mango butter, your avocado butter. It can also be your oils. You can add your olive oil, coconut oil, any oils of your choice, and any butter of your choice. Like, it's a must. It's something you must add to your black soap, please. Because at times, black soap can be so drying on the skin. Like, the pH level in black soap, guys, is really high. So I can't say a reason why you'll be formulating a black soap and you won't add an emollient. Like, what? So it's important in your black soap, because this helps to moisturize your skin, keep it hydrated, and also prevents your skin from drying. Yeah, excessive drying. So guys, the third thing your black soap should contain is brown licorice. Yes, your black soap should contain brown licorice powder. Now, What is licorice powder? Licorice powder is a natural ingredient. It is naturally derived. Yes. And it acts as a skin brightening ingredient or skin lightening ingredient. And the most important reason why I say you should add brown licorice to your black soap is because it reduces inflammation. And it also reduces irritation, because black soap at times irritates the skin. Yeah, because the pH level in black soap is relatively high, and it tends to irritate your skin, and make for those that have sensitive skin, I think. So you should add a licorice powder to your black soap, because it will help to reduce this inflammation and irritation on your skin. And yes, it promotes an even skin tone. If you have discoloration, black spots, patches, licorice extract is really good to brighten up the skin and clear out blemishes and dark spots. So guys, you should add brown licorice to your formulation. Yes, tell them I said so. The fifth and the last ingredient or thing you should add to your black soap is your preservative. Yes, your preservative. Like, why would you formulate a black soap without a preservative? How will it be preserved? How will you prevent it from forming molds? How will you prevent it from turning bad? You need a preservative. Yes. So guys, the last ingredient that you should add to your black soap is a preservative. No matter what, you need a preservative. Because even if you tell me that you didn't add water, because sometimes people say, I don't add water to my black soap, so I don't need a preservative. No, says who? Because that black soap actually comes in contact with water when you use it in the bathroom. Yes, it comes in contact with water, so you need to add a preservative. Because if you don't add a preservative, it will develop molds, and which wouldn't be good for your skin. So guys, you need to add a preservative to your black soap. So you can go for a liquid Jabal Plus or an Optifin Plus. There are so many preservatives in the market you can go for. So you can buy any of them and add them to your black soap, because it's really important. Because without preserving your products, it actually makes them unstable. It won't be stable anymore, and it actually makes your ingredients, makes the contents of your black soap less effective. So guys, you need to preserve your product properly if you actually want it to work for you. If you want it to give you the results, the actual result you want, you need to preserve it properly. Say properly. Say properly. Yeah. You need to preserve it properly. So guys, these are the 5 things you need to add to your black soap. This is the 5 things your black soap must contain. And additionally, I like to say something about black soap though. So for those of you that use black soap on your face, I didn't say it's bad though. Using black soap on the face is really good, on the skin is really good, but why would you max your black soap on your face? Why would you put your black soap on your face like directly? You just get the black soap and you rub it on your face and all that. No. What you do is you wet your hand first, get the black soap, put it on your hand, you lather it, let it foam before applying it on your face. And please, you should wash it out within 30 seconds, because the pH level in black soap is relatively high, and our face is so soft and fragile. So you don't want to irritate your skin by leaving the black soap on your face for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Some people even max it on their face. It's not good. So I advise you guys to just leave the black soap on your face not more than 30 seconds and you wash it off. Yeah, go and tell them that I told you that. Yes guys. So guys, thank you guys for watching. see you guys in my next video, and I'll be doing a whole lot of videos like this and other ones, like many of them. And I'll also be doing product review, and I'll be recommending to you guys organic products that actually works. So guys, stay tuned, and if you've not subscribed, do well to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload my video. So guys, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.